Hi everyone, and you're welcome to today's tutorial, and I still remain your shoe making made easy tutor, Odurole Mojibola. We're going to be completing the part 5 of our bling bling sandal today. If you're watching me for the first time, I need you to know that all we do is make shoe making easy. Now, as for this particular fit that I'm using to stitch here, it's worked perfectly well, so I want to recommend you to get one for yourself. Go to my Facebook or Instagram just to see the details about the foot. Now to today's we're going to be bottoming today. Sit back and I'm gonna be right back. All right, now you can see what we have right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and use my grinding machine to grind all of this and make it as smooth as possible, so I can finally also, of course, and also this side as well. So I'm going to go ahead and then cut out my outer sole template just to ensure that it covers all of the sides, that we have right at the back here. Of course, I'm going to remove all these staple pin before I finally bottom my beautiful bling bling summer sandal. You can see what I have, of course, so let's go right into that. All right, so I'm going to be using my transparent gum for this particular bottoming process, so just watch me as I bottom. Of course, don't forget you have to I'm actually using a rubber sole for my outer sole. All right, so I'm going to take my time to, of course, spread it on the inner, on the outer sole, as well as, of course, on the main upper as well. After this, I'm going to allow it to dry and I'm going to heat it. Now, this kind of gum has to be heated. Now, I've already heated it just to activate the bonding capacity, and I'm going to take my time to begin to place it. Now, the same process, of course, that I used to cut the inner sole is what I still use to cut the outer sole that I'm using. I've taught severally on this channel how to go about, your top heel and all of that. That's why I didn't have to go through that again in this particular video. So just take your time to do some hammering, press properly, so that at the end of the day, it will perfectly bond. Well, as far as I'm concerned, chemical gum doesn't need serious hammering like when you use the other contact cement adhesive. That one you need to really hammer properly. So I want to believe by now you should know how to go around this. Like I told us, this leather also contributed to the crease you have, and for me, I think it's adding to the look of the bling sandal. That's why I had to leave it like that and not worry. Of course, subsequently, I'm still going to actually show us a video of another kind of design entirely. Now, you can see me removing that staple pin. I actually had to use it to hold it down there to avoid the movement of that upper from that particular point. I don't want it to go forward when I'm pulling it. So I want to believe you have enjoyed today's tutorial. The August weekend shoemaking class is now on. Registration is on. You can go ahead and use the number on the screen to send us a WhatsApp message to join the class. All we do is, amplify whatever we have learned here. You have access to exclusive videos that are not available here, and you can also get your questions answered. Bye.